Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys why the TPMS warning light is on. The first and most common reason why the TPMS warning light is on is going to be low tire pressure. The tire pressure spec can be found inside the door jamb on the driver's side, and if tire pressure falls below 25% of the recommended pressure, this will trigger the TPMS warning light. First thing first, I always check the tire pressure in the morning when the vehicle is cold. Next, add the appropriate amount of air into the tire and bring it up to spec. When you're done pumping the tire to the proper spec, make sure to reset the TPMS warning light by looking for a button somewhere on the dashboard. If you have a touchscreen, just follow the procedure on the touchscreen, how to turn off the TPMS warning light. The second reason why the TPMS warning light is on is going to be either your TPMS sensor failed or the battery power is low. If your tire is equipped with a TPMS sensor, that means you have a direct system. The battery inside the TPMS sensor usually lasts about 5 to 10 years, and if you have not changed the battery in over a decade, maybe it's time to change that battery in the TPMS sensor. The next reason why the TPMS warning light is on is because maybe the sensor got damaged when the tire was replaced, or maybe the tire is misaligned. If your tire or wheel is not equipped with a TPMS sensor, that means you have an indirect system. In an indirect system, instead of having a TPMS sensor, the computer is going to measure the rotational speed of the wheel. When tire pressure is low, this is going to change the diameter of the tire, and that's how the computer knows tire pressure is low. For an indirect system, all you gotta do is just pump your tire with air and bring it up to spec, and that should fix the issue. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.